Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Countless stars, each a sun in its own right. Most appear as simple points of light, but many are part of something much larger. They belong to vast galaxies, swirling with gas, dust, and untold possibilities. The Pi network as we know it today is like one of those single, bright stars. Millions of us, the pioneers, have been observing it, nurturing it. We tap a button on our phones, a simple act, but we are participating in something far grander than we can currently see. We are witnessing the slow, deliberate formation of a new digital cosmos, and its most spectacular event is just over the horizon.
Most are staring at the star, and missing the galaxy forming around it.
To understand where we are going, we must first understand the building blocks of other digital universes. Think of the Ethereum network. It is a powerful blockchain, but its true genius lies in a concept called ERC-20, a universal blueprint for creating tokens. A set of rules, a common language. Follow the blueprint, and your token works across the entire Ethereum ecosystem. It slots into wallets, exchanges, and applications. Universal compatibility. That standardization allowed Ethereum to flourish. Its laws of physics discovered. Developers could launch quickly. Creativity exploded. Thousands of tokens emerged. From digital art to complex finance, a lonely chain became a bustling metropolis. So too, with Binance Smart Chain and BEP20, the same purpose, the same catalyst. Without standards, blockchains are powerful but empty.
Standards say, here are the tools, here are the rules, now build with us.
Now bring this cosmic idea home to our neighborhood, the Pi network. For years the core team has built the foundational physics, blockchain, nodes, wallets. The next step is the creative blueprint. Imagine a Pi token standard, call it PTS-20, a simple, powerful set of rules. Anyone could create custom tokens that live on the Pi blockchain. This is the secret future about to be unlocked. Not a small upgrade, a paradigm shift. Pi evolves from coin to the native gas of a vibrant new economy. As ETH fuels Ethereum, Pi would fuel creation and movement of new tokens. Every action, every project, every transaction consumes a small amount of Pi. That creates intrinsic, utility-driven demand, separate from speculation.
Developers won't just integrate Pi, they'll build on Pi.
With a Pi token standard in place, the floodgates of innovation open. Expect a Cambrian explosion of new projects, digital life diversifying. First wave, decentralized applications, programs that run on the blockchain. Imagine social platforms where your data is your own, or file storage spread across the network, secure, private. Then, decentralized finance, where token standards shine, lend and borrow Pi-based assets, stake Pi or other tokens to earn rewards, provide liquidity for the ecosystem. Trade tokens, peer-to-peer, no centralized middleman, open, transparent finance for anyone with a Pi wallet, crowdfund businesses, invest in what you believe, creators issue tokens, fans support and share in success. In-game items become true assets, own, trade, and use across games. Pi began with everyday people. Solutions will target real-world needs.
From people, for people. That's how this ecosystem grows.
Tokens and dApps are just the beginning. Entire ecosystems will emerge, constellations of interconnected tools, a suite for merchants, loyalty, inventory, and payments, all on Pi, fees in Pi, adoptable in a few clicks. PiGigs pays in Pi and Pi-based tokens. Smart contracts protect both sides. PiLearn issues verifiable certificate tokens, immutably stored. Local markets integrate tokens for loyalty and discounts. Trusted Pi infrastructure plus community storefronts. A symbiosis of digital and physical. Permissionless creation. The core team sets the laws, we build the worlds.
Competition breeds excellence. The best will rise and thrive.
New galaxies of value orbit the Pi cosmos, a living, evolving organism of utility. What does this mean for the value of the Pi you hold? The answer is profound. Value will not come from speculation, not from hype or fleeting trends. Value will reflect real economic activity within the ecosystem. Each token created, each dApp used, each contract executed. Cursora Burstakri Kane Pi. revolutionize as fuel. Pi becomes a fundamental commodity of a digital nation. Like any currency, Pi's worth ties to production, services, innovation. As more is built and used, demand for Pi increases. Economic gravity. Utility begets demand. Demand begets stability and growth. A stronger coin attracts serious builders. The cycle accelerates. This is the opposite of a hollow bubble. The question is not when it hits a number. Ask, what can I do to help build an ecosystem where Pi deserves that, and more?
Every app, every service, every transaction, another grain in a mountain we're building together.
There is a force more powerful for societies, the network effect. Value grows with every person who joins. 1 million telephones create a society. Over 50 million engaged pioneers, a historic pre-launch network effect. Most platforms launch to empty seats. Pi opens to a full house. This de-risks development and fuels ambition.
With this much kindling, the spark will catch fast.
By being here, holding Pi, you amplify the network effect. Creators come to where people are. That is why they will come to Pi. Why has it taken time? Because the design is deliberate. The enclosed period stabilized the network away from speculative turbulence. Diverse nodes, and real humans. Stats, the basis of Sybil resistance and decentralization. Not a rushed rocket. A starship, built for an interstellar journey. You tapped through hype and doubt. You were early. Your consistency laid the bedrock. Now the true purpose of all that tapping becomes clear. Pi is a platform for creation.
Congratulations in advance. Your patience is about to be rewarded.
You are co-founders, settlers of a new digital continent, the stardust of a galaxy being born. The universe is calling. Let us begin.